So welcome back. Hope you ate very well. We are resuming our session with our partner Woodside Energy. Nous allons recevoir Paul Sullivan, c'est le vice-président de Sangomar Field Development à Woodside Energy, et il va nous faire une présentation d'une quinzaine de minutes. Vous avez pu avoir un petit aperçu hier à la cérémonie d'ouverture de tout ce que Woodside fait au Sénégal dans ce domaine avec Madame McMahon. Alors, Mr. Sullivan, floor is yours.
So good afternoon, and I would like to commence with some pleasantries. First of all, I'd like to welcome representatives of the Government of Senegal and other MSGBC nations. Also, our joint venture partner, Petrosen, and ladies and gentlemen. My name is Paul Sullivan, Senior Vice President for the Sangomar Field Development, and I look forward to providing an update today on Senegal's first offshore oil development. So Woodside Energy is the operator of the Sangomar Field Development. Together with our joint venture partner Petrosen, we have worked with our Tier 1 contractors over the past 2.5 years to execute a complex offshore oil development with unprecedented global uncertainties and pressures. The first phase of the development is based on an FPSO that is linked to a network of subsea infrastructure connecting the 23 wells to support 20 years of oil production from the Sangomar field, which is located 100 kilometres south of Dakar. The estimated production from Phase 1 will be approximately 231 million barrels, with a maximum daily production in the order of 100,000 barrels of oil. The FPSO will be designed to enable potential future phases of development of the Sangomar resources, which include unlocking the gas resources for export to Senegal. The Sangomar field development is one of the first developments of the growing upstream oil and gas industry here in Senegal, so enabling the development of a local services sector and establishing the foundations of logistical support for offshore development and operations in the MSGBC basin, both now and into the future. The Sangomar FPSO, named the Leopold Sédar Senghor in honour of Senegal's first president, is well underway, with modules being progressively completed and installed on the FPSO's topside. MODEC, our FPSO contractor, has worked across several yards in China to progressively complete construction activity related to those modules. The turret and the conversion works have also been underway. MODEC and their contractors have been faced with the challenge of local COVID-19 restrictions, and that has driven availability uncertainty for vendor specialists required to complete the integration and commissioning activity in China. Therefore, as recently announced, Woodside has approved MODEC to make the prudent decision to relocate the FPSO to Singapore. That will be later this year to complete integration of the topside modules and also commissioning activities. MODEC, an experienced FPSO operator in West Africa, will also be responsible for the operations and maintenance of the FPSO. In support of the operations and maintenance contract, Modex Senegal has been establishing its presence here in country and has commenced building its local workforce, including the training of Senegalese operators. Woodside continues to assess the impact of construction yard disruptions. However, we're confident that Modex's project management expertise will maintain schedule and thereby enable first oil in the second half of 2023. Moving to Subsea. The complex subsea system for the Sangomar field development has also been challenged with the volatility of the global supply chain. However, we're happy to say that all of the subsea structures have been constructed and transported to Dakar. Last month, the Subsea Integration Alliance, or SIA for short, commenced the major phase of the subsea installation campaign in the Sangomar field. This will include the installation of 100 kilometres of rigid pipeline, 30 kilometres of flexible pipeline, and 50 kilometres of supporting umbilicals. This is as well as close to 200 structures. The subsea installation campaign will be supported principally from Dakar, building upon the existing logistical and supply services being provided by local businesses together with established contractors. Commencing in July 2021, the 23-well, three-year development drilling program has been a key activity for the project. We now have 2 rigs in the field, the Ocean Black Hawk and the Ocean Black Rhino, working in sequence to complete the batched drilling program, with the first batch now successfully completed. Later this year, we also plan to drill the SNE appraisal well. The drill ships are supported by several experienced international drilling services contractors based in the Dakar area, and these contractors have invested in building in local facilities and developing a local workforce to support the Sangomar field development. These contractors are helping build capacity and capability of local industry, establishing the foundations for an experienced oil and gas service sector here in Senegal. Central to supporting the Sangomar drilling campaign are the logistics national champions. They include Heliconia Senegal, providing helicopter services to our drill ships, and the Senegal supply base located at Mole 1 of the Port of Dakar. The Senegal supply base was established primarily in support of the Sangomar project and serves as the project's logistics base. At Woodside, we understand the importance of supporting strong local content and sustainable local supply chains that deliver benefits for local communities. For the Government of Senegal, developing its offshore hydrocarbon resources supports its aspirations to become an emerging market economy by 2035. And critical to this success will be the local industry and workforce actively participating and benefiting from the upstream oil and gas industry. The Sangomar joint venture has always been committed to delivering economic benefits to Senegal. Given this is the first offshore oil development and a new industry for Senegal, A focused effort to target opportunities within the project schedule has allowed substantial local content achievements to be realised across the project value chain. So this includes more than 6,000 workers supporting the project, over 800 local businesses supporting Woodside and our contractors, with approximately $285 million being spent. So 180 billion ZOF. We are proud of this achievement at Woodside. We look forward to build upon these successes, as well as the future 20 years of operations, where we expect that local participation will continue to grow. The Sangomar field development is more than 63% complete, and we remain focused on delivering first oil next year, now targeted for the second half of 2023. Here in Senegal, activities have ramped up with dual drillship operations and the Subsea installation campaign now underway. We continue to work with the Government of Senegal and our contractors for the safe and timely execution of project activities and delivering benefits to the Senegalese people. I'd like to acknowledge and thank the Ministry of Petroleum and Energies and also Petrosen, our joint venture partner, for their support and guidance for the project, and our contractors for their tireless effort in continuing to deliver Sangomar, Senegal's first offshore oil development. Thank you and merci.